Hello friends, my name is Saket Kumar and we'll start learning data definition language. तो डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज क्या होता है? Data definition language is something which defines the structure of our data, like how the table is represented or how the columns are. So it basically defines the overall structure, how the data is maintained in our database. Now we'll start with creating the database. So let's create a database. So I will give a command create database learning. Okay, and it will create a database named learning. So I will select this and I will execute this, and here we can see that we are getting commands completed successfully. So it has created a database named learning. I will refresh the database here, and we can see that there is a new database learning is created. Now I will use the database. Right now you can see that the database that I am using is Saket. So I will change it to the latest database that we have created. So I will use the command use learning, and now you can see that the database name has changed from Saket to learning. So now whatever table or anything that we will create, that will go under the database learning. So what is a schema? So a schema is something that we use to segregate the columns or tables. Suppose in the ABZ, if I show you in the tables, or 1 second, if I show you in Saket, let's see tables. Here you can see that dbo.fact table is there. So the dbo is called schema. We can create any schema. So like right now I will create a schema, create schema. I will give it a name, let's say A B C, and I will run this program. I will run this code. So we can see that the commands completed successfully. So the schema has been created, and now I will use this schema. The schema, we can directly use this schema. So let's create a table. So I'll create a table. So create table products, and since here we have defined the schema ABC, so we will put here ABC. So it will be abc dot products, and it will create a table named products. Now we have to give columns here. So I will come here. I will add the first column as product ID. I will make it int, and I will make it as primary key. We'll discuss what is primary key, foreign key, and other things later on. But right now we'll just keep it as a primary key. Then I will use second column as product name. So the product name, I will make it as varchar. We will learn all these things later, but for now just keep it like as it is. The third point, make as category. I will keep it as same, and the last I will make it as price. We will learn all these data types later, but for now just let us assume like it is like this. So okay, so now we have created a table. So I will run this command, and we can see that commands completed successfully. So now what I have to do is I have to insert few values inside it. So I will do that by giving the command insert into. I have to give the table name, so that would be abc.products, and then I have to give values. I have saved some values, so I will just put it here. So I had it before, so I will run this command, and we can see that 10 rows are affected. So these 10 rows are added in the table. So if you want to see like how the table is, so I'll just show you how the table is right now. Select star from abc dot products, and we can see that we have a table here with 10 rows. These are the same values that we have inserted here. So now let's move on. Now how to add a column. So suppose if I want to add one more column here, so I will write the alter statement. Alter table, table name, add. I would add the column name, so I would add company, and then I will give the data type. When I would run this command, we can see that command completed successfully. And when I see the latest structure, so I will put select star from abc.products. So it would be, we can see that the new column company has been added, but there is no value inside it right now. So suppose if I want to drop a column, alter table, table name, and then I would write the drop command to drop a column. So I will write drop column and the column name. So it would be category. When I'll run this command, it is showing that commands completed successfully. Then I will show you the table how it is right now. So select star from. Here we can see that the category column has been deleted. Now how to rename a column. So to rename a column, I will give a simple step. Like suppose if I go here, first I will refresh the database. Refresh, okay. Then I will go in learnings. Then I will go in table. Then here we can see that I have a table abc.products. I will go here in columns, and here I can see all the column names. So suppose if I want to change the column name, so here I will right click and rename option is coming. I will click here and I will make it simply name. And when I will run the select command here, we can see that the name has been changed now. See, from product name now it is only name. So how to change the column data type? Again here we will write the alter statement. So I would write alter table name, alter column, column name, and I would write here int. Earlier it was decimal, now I am writing it as a int. I'll run this command. Commands completed successfully, and when I will see the latest structure, here we can see the decimal part has been deleted now. Now how to drop a table? Drop table, then table name. I'll run this command. So now we'll see whether any table exists. It is saying that invalid object name abc.products. And here also we will see in learning, if I will refresh again, I will go in tables. See, there is no table like abc.products. And now I will delete the whole database. To delete the database, we have to stop using this database and then we can delete it. So right now, I will create a new query. I have changed my database from learning to Saket, and then I will delete this query here, and then I will write the drop database learning. Now if I refresh here on the databases, this learning will be gone. See, it has been deleted. Thank you.